In front of me is Motorola Moto G, and today I would like to show you how you can operate a voice recorder. You need to begin by opening Play Store and installing free app called Voice Recorder from Smart Mobi Tools developer. When your app is ready, open it. Then click on this red button at the bottom. And as you can see, recording is on. To pause it or unpause it, use the same button. If you see this kind of pop-up, select Accept. If you wish to add a bookmark, unpause your recording and click on pin icon on the left. Then type in wherever you wish to or not at all and save your bookmark by hitting OK. If you want to, you can pause your recording and delete it right away by choosing this card on the left. You can also save it by clicking on the check mark on the right. Now hit save at the top right corner. And to play your recording, click on it. To rename it, hold it. Click on this icon between heart and the bean. Type in wherever you want to and select OK. If you wish to get rid of it, hold it again. And this time use bean icon at the top right corner. Then hit delete. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!